All right. If there's ever been a do not do what I do moment, this is probably it. I figured I better find my camera or my video up because this might be a good one. So these slide-in campers, some of the older ones, this has been redone, but it's still kind of set up like the older ones. It only has one jack in the center on the passenger side, which is the dumbest design I have ever seen. Like, you would think there would be one on each corner, just like the other side, but there's only one on this side. And as you can see, when you get all the weight on it, it starts trying to buckle a little bit. And these things are heavy. It's way too big for this truck. I just used my half-ton just to move it here. It's way too long, way too heavy. I moved it like 2 miles from where it was at. And then on this side, this jack has stripped out. The gears look good in here, but it broke the shear pin off of the bolt on the outside for the crank. So where it stopped at is where I put my floor jack, and then it started bending in because it don't have the tripod. So I had to run a ratchet strap to my truck to keep it from folding in. So, and then this one's still good, but I don't know why there's not one. Like, there's two on this side. Why is there not two on the other side? That's just the dumbest shit ever, just to save a couple dollars. But we're getting ready to see. I've got it up off the tailgate now. I've got some blocks under it. I'm just attempting to block most of the weight up, and then hopefully the two jacks will keep it from teetering much, because they're, you know, tripods, and I didn't want to set it on just concrete blocks because I figured that wouldn't come out good if there was some wind blowing. But I'm going to have to go get that one fixed. I may just buy some new electric ones, I don't know, but I'd like to get the other side, another one welded on, put them on each corner instead of the middle. I don't know. I've Googled it, looked on YouTube, and that's what they all are, the older ones. It's crazy. But we're about to see what's going to happen when I pull my truck on out from under it. It's barely touching. I think it'll be good. I'll show you guys the inside. It's been redone. It's a really nice camper for its age. You can't really tell where it's dark, but I'll make another video later. But we're about to see what's going to happen. So I'll set my phone up here, and if it falls over, it falls over. I don't have that much in it. Hell, I basically stole it. But we'll set the camera up. Cross your fingers. Crank this one more time just to make sure it's up. That other side is so sketchy. Screw it. Let's just pull out too, man. Tired of messing with it. don't know what that was. We scared the shit out of me. Almost there. I believe that got it.